Hello guys, today we're gonna make another slime channel. So we got some new glue, TOA glue, and we got our Zame activator as last time. And I didn't know this. Yeah, I don't care about that. So, oh no. And we also got powder. Yeah, mom let me use this powder. So let's begin. Also, I'm gonna mount it, but I'm not gonna use it today. So let's start with the glue. Let's pour this in. It's so creamy. Let's just do that. And then that. And pour it. Whoa, that's a lot. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, I'm gonna scoop some, and scoop, 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 and then swirl it. My God, yummy. Okay, now we stir a bit. I also gonna open this first. Oh no, not perfect though. And then, okay, wait. I'm not gonna use these because it came with them. I'm gonna decorate my pet with it. And also gave me some glitter and some sparkly glue. So we have green. Put it over there. Put it on the circle here. And we have silver. Mosquito. I'm concerned that there's pink the most. And yellow. And blue. Okay. Make some space for them. Okay. And it gave me some glitter glue. Gave me some glitter glue. And some normal glue. That I'm going to use the most. Let me see how the cat's like. Ooh. Whoa, that's so shiny. Well, I guess we can use some glitter glue a little bit. Come on, let's use some of it. Don't blame me. Oh, who did this? Well, it doesn't matter because we're gonna put some glitter glue inside. Whee! Go in. Yes, yes, yes. Get in, get in. Go. Fall already. Fall already. What the? Oh no, it's stuck. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that was close. Gotta squeeze the whole bottle because I don't like glitter glue. Ooh, there's a bit more. Okay, here, put them. Okay, goodbye, glitter glue. Okay, you put the cap there and some clear glue, of course. I'm not gonna put the clear glue in today, so I'm gonna start stirring. Let's go. Ooh, it's stirring, stirring. Ooh, it's turning. I'm gonna make like a mint slime. Ooh, that's so good. Ooh. Woo! It's not coming together yet because we need to put in some glitter. Let's put in some green glitter. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, so cool. A little bit more. Okay, that's done. I know where the green is going away. I'm gonna add a bit of yellow into it too. There. And a little bit of pink. It's like a potion. Oop. And done. And then let's mix. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, let's mix now. Ooh. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Actually, so sparkly now. Well, this is my first time making a glitter slime because I don't like glitter slime, so I'm gonna try it and see how it turned out with white glue. Yeah, look at this. It looks like kind of looks like a cream with sprinkles mixed up. Yeah. Okay, and some powder. Oh, a lot of powder. That's a lot of powder. Oh no, I'm sorry to my mom. I'm so sorry to my mom. I'm so sorry if you see this because it accidentally sprout out. Okay, and keep mixing till it gets chunky. Like it's getting chunky now. Ooh. Looks like dough. Kind of looks like dough now, see? Kind of looks like dough now. Well, we gotta get mixing still. I'm gonna be in big trouble now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's turning into dough now. Oh, it's not dough anymore. Okay, after this is activator. And, no, after this is a bit more glitter. bit more silver and blue glitter because I haven't used them yet. Whoop, keep mixing. And then glitter and then activator. It looks like frosting now. Okay, silver. Whoop. My favorite color is see-through and also silver. And some. I think I used blue already, right? No, I haven't. Okay. Oh, this one's hard to open. Now we have all of the colors in there. Whoa. Whoop. This is like a party. Whoop. Ooh. Ooh. Mix, mix, mix. Mix. Ooh. So chunky that I can barely mix it. Look at that. Okay, the time is activator now. Ready, 3, 2, 1. We need a lot. Okay, that's enough because it's going to be all gone soon. 3, 2, 1, mix. It's turning into slime. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh. It's not mint slime. Well, it's kind of like ice cream slime. Yeah, it's ice cream. Ice cream for sure. Oh, it's not mixing. What the? It's not mixing, it's failing. We need more activator because this is a lot. This is not working. It's not working. Let's put the whole bottle in. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, activator, but just put the whole bottle in. I need to get more activator now. And just put the whole bottle in. I'm so sorry. Ah! No, it's stuck there. Yeah, get out. So sorry, activator. You gotta go. Ah! Use my hands to mix. I'm gonna use my hands to mix because I'm too tired of stirring. I'll put this there for a second. Ah! It's not working. Are you serious right now? Mix it. Mix it well. Oh no, guys, we have bad news. It's not mixing. Well, we're gonna keep mixing if it works. Guys, it's still not working. They put too much powder. They put too much powder, guys. Well, I'm gonna try and make another one. Well, it's gonna be ice cream. No, we'll try to put in some shampoo, so if it works. Okay, let's keep stirring. Say. Okay, enough. Okay, and keep mixing. I feel uncomfortable doing this now because it's nothing but glue. It's nothing but glue. Yeah. Lotion? Try lotion. Yeah. Yeah, like it says like if you use like not deodorant, like it's like a น้ำยาซักผ้า It means like washing for clothes. Washing for clothes. But we can try washing this soap first. And put it in. Put it in. Put it in. Okay. This is not. Yeah. Next time I'm putting gloves for this. No, I'm trying to ruin it. Putting like a clothes deodorant. Okay, guys, I'll be back because I'm gonna go wash my hands first. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna tell someone to. I'm gonna go wash my hands first, and I'm gonna pause the video for a sec. I'm gonna try, cause the activator's all gone now. There's no one. There's. Yeah. So I'm gonna. Okay, that never mind. So I'm gonna like pause the video for a second. I'm gonna wash my hands, okay? No, 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 no. Yeah, okay. Pause it, pause it. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I washed my hands already. So I checked in a trend. They use like powder and stuff, and they use a lot of glue, right? And then they say it turned out good, and it turned out good, and but it's like clothes washing deodorant or something like that, right? And I think it worked, right? So yeah, and I tried it. Now it doesn't work. So this was a fail. I'm sorry to waste your time, but I just want to try it out. I'm gonna try to put in some more dishwashing clothes. Let's go. Put more, put more. Let's go. Okay, that's enough. Mom, be angry. Okay, ready and stir. I'm gonna try to still put in some washing clothes. It's becoming an ice cream. It's coming an ice cream cream. It's creamy. You can put it on some like toppings. Woo! Well, I guess this was a fail, so I don't care. Well, I guess I'm gonna put some more glitter. Booty, booty, booty. Nike, Nike, Nike. Dia, dia. Dia, dia. Put the glitter on top of the glitter. Glitter on top of glitter. What the? That doesn't make sense. What's the green one? What's the green glitter? Oh no. Look at that glitter, guys. Oh. Stir it still. Because I like stirring stuff. Ooh. Ooh. Ice cream. Ooh. 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 Well, I still some. Well, I got some slime on the side here. I got some slime on the side here. Got some slime on the side. That was weird. Slime. Wow, this is slime. On the side, we got slime. I was thinking if we leave it for one day, it will turn into slime. We can try. I'm gonna tell someone about this. I'm gonna tell my mother about this. If we leave it for one day, we can try to see if it turns into slime. Yeah. I'm gonna try to leave it for one day. Mix, mix, mix. Swish, bish, bish. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's see if there's any activator left. If I could put in a little bit. There's still a little bit more. Little bit. Just a little bit. I'm just checking. I'm not wasting. Well, I am. Just a little bit. Huh? What the? I'm gonna try to find the green glitter if I can find it anywhere. Oh, there it is. I was blind. There you go. Okay, now mix again. Oop. Mix it very hard. Yeah. Some this with this. Oop, again. Little bit. Thank you. Okay, with plus this little bit again. Okay, and mixing. Mixing. It kind of looks like something. Slowly stir. Slowly. bro. Whoa. So, today I'm going to end the video for today. And we're going to come back and see you for one day. So, thank you for watching my video. And I'll see you next time. I'll update you if the slime works or not. Bye-bye.